Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off activity indicator on Snapchat. So first of all, launch Snapchat on your mobile devices. Go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Once you come here, go ahead and tap the gear icon at the top right. From here, scroll down below and under the category of privacy control, tap on activity indicator. Now, if the toggle for activity indicator is turned on, simply tap on it and turn it off. With that, you will successfully be able to turn off activity indicator on Snapchat, and when it's disabled, others or your friends added on Snapchat won't be able to see your online status. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.